white blood cell population and participate in different allergic reactions, uh, as well as the inactivation of excess histamine from the mast cells or basophil. And uh, involved, wait one moment, and involved in allergic reactions, participates in antiparasitic defense. Okay. The next type, basophil granulocyte. Uh, the cells are characterized by size 10 to 15 μm below nucleus. There are many large basophil cytoplasmic granules like heparin and histamine, and these populations constitute 0 to actually 1% of white blood cells. They effector result in allergic reactions and responsible for the hypersensitivity. Okay. Monocytes. The cells have a size of 15 to 20 μm. We can see the largest among others white blood cells, oval or kidney-shaped nucleus, as well as the numerous lysosomes in the cytoplasm, and we know that these organelles contain enzymes, precursors of tissue macrophages, and constitute 2 to 6% of the white blood cells. Main function coordination of cellular and humoral immune responses, as well as the phagocytosis. So these cells are the largest among the white blood cells. The size is ranging from 15 to 20 μm in diameter. The nucleus is kidney-shaped and placed, we can say centrally placed nucleus, a centrally placed nucleus. All these cells belong to a type of the traveling or wandering cells. You remember that connective tissue include two main groups, fixed cells and wandering cells. So cells of the blood belong to a group of wandering cells. Like lymphocytes. The lymphocytes, the group of lymphocytes is divided into three main populations of the cells, but we can see in some sources it is indicated four. So the first type of lymphocytes, two main types, T and B lymphocytes. The population of T lymphocytes includes T helpers, T killers, T suppressors. All of these cells have definite functions and have some morphological properties that make them unique. So size of the cells is about 8 to 10 μm. The round-shaped nucleus is present, and population of the cells constitute 20 to 40 of white blood cells. They are responsible for the humoral and cellular immunity. And we can see this type of the cells is relatively abundant in the blood. Hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis, it is a process of blood formation, and it takes places in several parts of the human body. The stem cells are unspecialized cells that have two defining properties. The first property is the ability to differentiate into any type of cells in the human body, and the ability, high potency to regeneration. The three broad categories of stem cells exist, like embryonic stem cells, udal stem cells, and fetal. Uh, the embryonic stem cells derive from the blastocyte, whereas the udal stem cells found in different type of tissue, particularly if we say about uh, vessels, they could be components of the basal lamina, located closely to the basal lamina. And the third group of the cells is fetal stem cells, which are found in the umbilical cord. The stem cells of the udal tissues are tissue specific. Like red bone marrow is the primary source of formation of the formed elements, uh, and could be found in the spongy bone and long bone, particularly stroma, composed of the reticulum cells, adipocytes, macrophages. Here is given the main line of the blood cells formation, and you can see that all of them originated from the multipotent hematopoietic stem cells. Multipotent means this cell type uh, has a great potential to transform into any type of a cell.
কিরে ক্লাস শেষ? বাড়ি পড়ছিস? কিরে বোকাচোদা, কই গেলি? শেষ করে দিছি।